Dialogue between Ali and lawyer about public servant obtaining illegal gratification. Ali: hello, I need some legal advice regarding an incident that happened to me. Lawyer: of course, please tell me what happened. Ali: well, a public servant came to me and demanded that I give him a valuable thing, such as money or jewelry. I refused, but he took the valuable thing from me anyway, without my consent. Lawyer: I'm sorry to hear that. It sounds like you may have been the victim of an offense under Section 165 of the Pakistan Penal Code. What can I do about it? Lawyer: you can file a complaint with the relevant authorities, such as the police or the anti-corruption establishment. Ali: what happens if a public servant is found guilty of this offense? Lawyer: if a public servant is found guilty of violating Section 165, they can be punished with imprisonment for up to 7 years, as well as a fine. In addition to that, they may also be dismissed or removed from their office. Ali: thank you for explaining this to me, I appreciate it. Lawyer: you're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.